I'm back with another episode of English with Ryan PTE series, and as you have seen in the previous videos, in each video I cover one question, and in today's video I'm going to cover this question about Chinese New Year. Step 1 in doing fill in the blanks questions is to establish the context and see what the passage is about. So let's do that by reading the topic sentence. Chinese New Year is the longest and most important celebration in the Chinese calendar. So we know it is about the Chinese New Year. Keep that in mind because it is going to help you a lot in the process of finding the perfect choices for the blanks. Chinese months are what by the what calendar, with each month beginning on the darkest day. Over here, a past participle is missing. Why? That is passive voice structure. Because you started with your object and we're talking about Chinese months. Let's go down and find the past participle that makes sense here. There's only one, and that is reckoned. Now, you might be a little bit surprised about the meaning of reckon. Reckon has three meanings. Number one is to establish by calculation. Number two is to regard something in a particular way. And the third one, which is quite informal, it means to think, to be of an opinion. So Chinese months are reckoned by the what calendar? We need to find an adjective that goes with calendar according to collocation. If you come down over here, and the only option that makes sense is lunar. So lunar comes from the Latin word luna, meaning moon. So lunar means related to the moon. So it's the kind of calendar that is calculated actually according to the movement of the moon, as opposed to the solar calendar, which is based on the sun. New Year what traditions start on the first day of the month and continue until the 15th when the moon is brightest. New Year something, so a noun is missing, and that noun needs to be plural. Why? Because of this. As you can see, the verb doesn't have s or es, so it should be plural. The New Year what traditions start? The New Year festivities. You're looking for a plural one, so this is the perfect choice. Festivities means celebration or the activities that are done to celebrate something. In China, people may take weeks of holiday from work to what for and what the New Year. Alright, we need a verb that is used with for. So they take some time off work to do what? To prepare for. Excellent. To prepare for. And what the New Year? We need another verb, and that is celebrate. To celebrate the New Year. Alright, let's review the correct answers. Chinese months are reckoned by the lunar calendar. New Year festivities traditional start. They take weeks of holiday from work to prepare for and celebrate the New Year. Now, about the options that were not used in those blanks. Firework, well, that's clear. Firework is fine. Let's go to establishing. Establishing means to set something, to make something. And decades, well, decade is a period of 10 years. That's it. Beautiful. Let me know what you think about these videos in the comment section below. I'll make sure that I'll just make the changes that are best for you. Hopefully all of you will pass your PTE very soon. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. I don't want you to miss any of the videos. Thank you so much. See you soon with question number 4.